Close your eyes now. Don't get this stuff in your eyes now. Then I'm gonna cut it one more time. Okay, we got this one looking pretty nice here. Now we're gonna go up here to the top one. And then we gotta do this one. We gotta get this all sanded up real nice here, so nobody hurts themselves when they're rolling on there. That feels nice. Alright, I'll bring you back in a little bit. Alright, so we're going to take some of this stain we got now and put it on one of these old socks, and we're going to try this out. Seems to me that a little bit will go a long ways in this process. Well, what are you guys doing? I mean, I think that looks pretty nice, huh? Well, the hand railing project is all finished up now and everything's looking nice. I think that includes this video on that today. Let that stain dry. Don't touch it now, folks, because it's still kind of wet. Be looking good. See you guys later. Bye.